On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on? A blessed and wonderful Sunday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every morning. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So in the morning, my peeps, I have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps, to the name Sunday the day when some of the regular ones and ones them out there traverse the church. So whilst doing so, my peeps, please remember On The Spot News Media, its loyal viewers and subscribers in your immediate prayers. You definitely see how Jamaica run right now, so you know for sure. So we need that now more than ever. And to all of the regular ones and ones them out there in the kitchen I deal with the finger licking chicken, I don't know, say blessings pan the official red rice and rooster day. Yeah man. And to all of the regular members of Chan Public out there traversing these streets, going about your regular business from Moran Point to the Grill Point. As always, my peeps, safe travel, pan the gravel, and continuously look out on the corner eye, cause the old dirty corner boy them always out there. Alerts, yeah man. So we're gonna kick it off in the morning here with a decent spot of work by the squad of them. Now over there in the troubled war-torn, crime-riddled the St. Andrew South Police Division, the St. Andrew South Police have been intensifying their efforts to dismantle criminal gangs, following a major firearm seizure during a snap operation along Glen Road in Kingston 13, that's off Maxville Avenue. So the operation spearheaded by the St. Andrew South SAS Division Operations Team that involve the specialized units to include SWAT team. So the police them go in there bilious and in great numbers. The police recovered this AK-47 assault rifle along with an empty magazine and a Taurus G2 pistol fitted with a magazine containing 5 live 9mm rounds. One criminal element was also taken into police custody in connection with the firearm discovery. The latest crackdown forms a part of an ongoing effort by law enforcement to disarm gangs and curb violent crimes in that particular area of the police division. And still in the St. Andrew South Police Division, they have charged an 18-year-old gas distributor with possession of an illegal firearm. Now, the criminal element in question has since been identified as Jamar Brenard, otherwise known as Z-Tech. He's of a UNDN Avenue address in the division. He has been charged with possession of prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. He was arrested following an incident in Three Oaks Gardens on the 14th of November. The Hunts Bay police report that Brenard was seen with 2 other men on a playing field, and their actions allegedly aroused the suspicion of the police, prompting the search. So Brenard had one of them man purse there. Well, me no know how purse and man get fi in the same sentence, but the nowadays bad man them say a man purse. So it is what it is. So him have one of them strapped back there in possession. And when the police them search it, it contained a 9mm Beretta pistol and a magazine with 7 live 9mm rounds of ammunition. He was of course accosted, arrested, and placed in custody, where he was formally charged thereafter. And still in that police division, the St. Andrew South Police, trust me, Uno have no work cut out for uno. So detectives attached to the Hunts Bay police station is now trying to establish a motive for the fatal knockings and clappings of this 17-year-old in the division on Friday. He has since been identified as Sayid Mitchell, also known as Bredda, come from off a Metcalf Road in the division. Now, he was attacked at the intersection of Ashley Road and Burke Road. That particular area runs off Maxfield and also runs off Walton Park Road for those who don't know. So according to reports from the Hunts Bay police, the officers was in the area sometime around 8:40 a.m. when they heard loud explosions. Upon investigation, they found the lifeless body of Sayid Mitchell, suffering from a whole heap of corner wounds all over the upper body and head. He was, however, taken to the hospital, not in a bit to save his life because, you don't know, him lose him 3 points, same place, on the spot. But he was taken there nonetheless to officially pronounce him, you know what. The police are stating that, boy, them don't know what could have caused this, but there's an ongoing flare-up of gang violence in that part of the police division. But tell me this now, St. Andrew South Police, which part in our division now experience a flare-up right now? Boy, me I tell you now, the thing rough. So, before we get into the rest of stories, one of the regular members of Chan Public inbox me and I say me have to really share that one I don't know this morning here. So the vlog that I covered with the bad man, Chichiman them, Bad Indian and Cartel, the person stated, I want to read this for yourself on the screen. That voice note with Bad Indian and Cartel is an eye opener. Maybe many of these gang wars are over. You know what? Cause look how the island nice and pretty. Food nice, party nice, women nicer. So me I put it. So what them really a fight over? No muss? Boy, me I tell you. The thing rough. So anyway, make we continue. So, we say Clovis draw one cartoon and film cartoon them always have a message in it, you know. And many of the ones them probably was not aware of this. So, whilst we do understand that many of our young professionals have to seek a better life because you don't know the job opportunity not really to their Jamaica like that in a certain sector. So, they have to take with themselves, go overseas, US preferably, forget a work and basically, I don't know, start them life, get themselves on track. But guess what now? The little student loan won't left back a yard. They might go force on one right now for pay it. Because once you know, I get on yourself regularize in the American system by whatsoever means you choose. Once on the documentation drop a US immigration for you to get regularized in the system, they might go block it and say, yo, if you owe Jamaica no money for a student loan, you know have to go pay that, or you know nah get no documentation so that like a work permit they won't did a wait pan forget the hype job. You know nah get it. You know have to go pay the student loan you know owe a yard. So a word to the wise, if you know look about to no look at documentation, make sure so you reach out to the SLB and start make some sort of payments like a little payment planting so it in the pipeline. Say uno no run well left uno loan. Uno are paid gradually over a period of time. Yeah man. Because we really want to see the youths them do well, you know. So just do the do. Because the government have that set in place. So this is not just a regular cartoon. This is actually fact. This is presently happening. Alright my peeps? Say no way. Make we continue. Now over there in the St. Catherine North Police Division, This brother here, presently on your screen, identified as Aloy Grant. Him come from Geisel. Him call himself Dabdo. So a incident go on one day where men up lose him 3 pints. That a Friday morning. Reports I say about 7 a.m. in the morning. Now it is said that the police going to the area, a search for him. Them and him make a little toss up, altercation go on. And it is said that he allegedly tried to seize an officer's weapon. It is said that during that ensuing confrontation, him get caught up and injured. He was, however, transported to the Spanish Town General Public Hospital, where he succumbed to injuries. The matter was reported to Indicom for investigation. But all heap of sides to the story, because we are get to understand, say, an illegal firearm was also recovered from him. But whilst all of that is basically, we're not sure, according to the reports. One thing's for sure though, he was the so-called Dan for Geisel. So I go on over the years, him left out of the community, but him people him still live there. And him go form an alliance with the clansman them. So him get kinda hot in the streets. So him return back now to Geisel and start recruit 1 and 2 of the little younger youth them in the thing. So him recruit the young youth them now, arms them up. So them a commit a whole heap of little robbery in the community, whole heap of little shop a broke, little bar a broke and all these things. But one of the key thing them, a Western Union, was allegedly robbed some time ago. And it is alleged that he was the criminal mastermind behind that. So right there and then, him definitely land himself on the radar at the St. Catherine North Police Division. And my granny always tell me, say, you know, the higher a monkey climb, the more him expose. And anytime plant no one, you know what, in shoot. But this time, I never him shoot. The police then shoot. Literally. Yeah, man. So I saw him end up for lose 3 pints in the Gideon. But the police them say, boy, them try for cuss him try for disarm one of them. And him have to slap a shot in him kin, spread him out like a sheet. However, we at one go still Indicom we determine that. But one thing we know for sure, that no more than no they are Geisel again. Yeah, man. And again, an appeal to the families out there who love shelter them criminal elements here. Him family them live there and them know exactly where him a go on with, you know. And because him get hot which part him them retreat and run come back. And I feed them wings and them just openly accept him back. So I hope you know accept everything we come with accepting him back, which is him burial. Boy, may I tell you, the thing rough. Now the last thing that we gotta talk about, my peeps, is that this firearm presently on your screen was seized in the St. Anne Police Division and a man is presently in custody. So the firearm and ammunition was seized by members of the Ocherious Criminal Investigation Branch on Saturday, November 16. One man was arrested. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigation. So another decent spot of work again by the squaddy them. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.